November 3rd, simple equations with fractional answers. Solve each one. If your answer is a fraction, spoiler, most of them will be, reduce it to the lowest terms. To begin with, we add 1 to both sides, and we get 2x is equal to 1. We divide by the coefficient, and we get x equals 1/2. Next up, we're going to add 5 to both sides, so we get 3x is equal to 9. Then we divide both sides by 3, and we get x is equal to 3. Moving down, first we will subtract 7 from both sides, so we get 2x is equal to 7. Then we divide by 2. On the left, 2 over 2 cancels out, and on the right, x is equal to 7/2. This cannot be simplified, so we leave it as is. The next one, we're going to subtract 5 from both sides. We get negative 4x is equal to 4. We divide by a negative 4 on both sides. X is equal to negative 1. Moving over to the left, first thing we'll do, minus 1 and minus 1. This gives us negative 2x is equal to negative 8. We divide by a negative 2 on both sides. X is equal to 4. Minus 5 from both sides, we have 4x is equal to 11, negative 11 rather. When we divide by 4, we get x is equal to negative 11/4. Since there's not a common factor, we cannot simplify that fraction. Back over to the right, we'll start with 3x minus 15 is equal to 12, and we'll add 15 to both sides, so we get 3x is equal to 27. When we divide both by 3, we get x is equal to 9. Let's move to the back and start somewhere in the middle here. Negative 4 plus 8x is equal to 20. So we'll add 4 to both sides. So we get 8x is equal to 24. And we divide both sides by 8. 24 divided by 8 is 3. Let's go down to negative 5x minus 10 is equal to negative 30. We'll add 10 to both sides. We have negative 5x is equal to negative 20. When we divide by a negative 5, we get x equals 4. The one below this, when we subtract 18 from both sides, negative 6x is equal to 17. When we divide by a negative 6, x is equal to negative 17/6. The negative floats to the top.